Welcome to Timeless Rustic Journey, where the whispers of the past meet the charm of the present, your go-to haven for rustic inspiration. How to blend English cottage and rustic styles for a cozy, timeless home. A charming country home with a rustic wooden door, climbing roses, and a cozy seating area on the porch. If you love the charm of English cottage decor, but also appreciate the warmth of rustic style, you're in the right place. Today, we'll show you how to blend these two timeless aesthetics to create a home that feels both elegant and cozy. Whether you're redecorating a whole house or just want to add a few touches, we've got plenty of tips to inspire you. So grab a cup of tea, get comfy, and let's dive in. Living room. Creating a cozy retreat. Let's start with the heart of the home, the living room. English cottage style is all about soft elegance, while rustic decor leans into rugged, natural beauty. Here's how to combine them. Furniture. Choose a mix of classic, overstuffed sofas with soft linen slipcovers and rustic wooden furniture. Look for distressed coffee tables, vintage cabinets, and cozy armchairs. Color palette. Soft pastels, creams, and muted greens work beautifully against natural wood tones. Consider layering whitewashed walls with reclaimed wood beams for that perfect contrast. Textures. Mix and match materials, lace curtains, plush throw blankets, and woven baskets alongside chunky wooden elements. Fireplace focus. If you have a fireplace, enhance it with a rustic wooden mantle and vintage candle holders. A stone or brick surround adds instant character. Kitchen. The perfect blend of practical and charming. Now, let's move into the kitchen. English cottage kitchens are known for their quaint, homey charm, while rustic kitchens celebrate sturdy, natural elements. Here's how to blend them. Cabinetry and shelving. Use open wooden shelves to display vintage dishware, mason jars, and ceramic pitchers. Pair white or pastel-painted cabinets with rustic wood countertops for balance. Farmhouse sink. A porcelain or apron front sink adds that classic English touch, while rustic bronze or brass fixtures bring warmth and character. Accessories: opt for antique spice racks, woven baskets for storage, and floral patterned tea towels to tie the theme together. Lighting: hang vintage-inspired pendant lights or wrought iron fixtures to enhance the old-world feel. Bedroom: soft and rustic elegance. The bedroom should be a sanctuary, peaceful, inviting, and full of charm. Here's how to bring together English cottage romance with rustic simplicity. Bed and linens. A wrought iron or vintage wooden bed frame sets the tone. Layer soft floral bedding, quilted throws, and linen sheets for that effortless cottage look. Nightstands and dressers. Opt for distressed or antique wooden furniture to add depth and character. Soft lighting. Use vintage-style table lamps with pleated or lace shades to create a warm glow. Personal touches. Frame old botanical prints, hang a simple woven wall tapestry, or display a collection of vintage books on a rustic shelf. Outdoor spaces, cottage gardens, and rustic charm. Finally, let's step outside and bring this style to life in your outdoor spaces. The goal is to create a relaxed, whimsical setting that feels straight out of an English countryside. Garden features. Add winding stone pathways, climbing ivy, and a mix of wildflowers and herbs in vintage pots. Seating area. Use rustic wooden benches, iron patio furniture, or even a weathered picnic table for an inviting space to relax. Lighting. Hang fairy lights, use lanterns, and add vintage candle holders to enhance the ambience in the evenings. Outdoor kitchen and fire pit. Incorporate a simple outdoor kitchen setup with a rustic wooden prep table and a charming fire pit for cozy gatherings. And there you have it, the perfect blend of English cottage charm and rustic warmth. By combining vintage elegance with natural elements, you can create a space that feels timeless, inviting, and uniquely yours. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest home inspiration. Let us know in the comments, what's your favorite part of Cottage Rustic decor? Thanks for watching, and happy decorating. See ya!